Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In our previous session, Structured Storage 3 hierarchically organized storage and stream object. In this session, we created structured storage and we organized the storage and stream object in hierarchy. So in our previous session, we created hierarchy structured storage, and using this is the application we developed in our previous session, hierarchy structured storage, DRV. I deleted all, dir. Then we are creating a virtual volume 03, this application, hierarchy structured storage. Then we give my virtual drive DRV. It creates my virtual drive DRV like this. Then if we see, we can find my virtual drive DRV is created. And this part, this application, hierarchy structured storage, this application actually creates a hierarchical storage like this, structured storage of this form. Now in this session, we will create enumerate structured storage. Using this enumerate structured storage application, we can do like this. 04 enumerate structured storage, then my virtual drive exe, virtual drive drv. This program enumerate structured storage read in my virtual drive.drv structured storage, and then restore the tree like this. It exports tree like this. The contents of this structured storage is retrieved like in tree form. So if you compare this restored one and planted one, you can find they are actually the same, but only one thing. Here file is stream at the same level. Files are enumerated first, displayed first, then folder 0, folder 0, folder 1, folder 1, folder 2, folder 3. Files are enumerated first, listed first above the folder, then folders are listed in the order. So in this session, we will create enumerate structured storage application. To do this, we have to download, because this session continues from our previous session, we have to download the source code, the sample source code. When the source code is downloaded completely on your machine, then please unzip it. Then rename the folder, right click, rename it enumerate structured storage, then copy it to your working folder. Then we will open this solution in Visual Studio 2015. This is our old solution, the solution I prepared in advance. I will open the solution we just copied, this one. When solution is loaded, I will right click the hierarchy structure. Then in properties, I will rename the structure, the solution name. I will enumerate. We will change like this, then save. If property window is not displayed, not open on your Visual Studio, then you can open property window like this. Now we save it. Then here we will create one more project. We will add one more project. We insert it to console application. I will name enumerate 04 enumerate structured storage. Okay, then click console application, finish. Right click this enumerate structure solution, make it as a startup project, then save. Right click once again, properties, configuration all platform, general, here, solution, dir, include. Now click OK, apply. Okay, then here header file, right click, add existing item, this folder, save, and from our previous solution, double click std-afx, then copy all these text, copy, then here paste like this, save, then we can close all std-afx, save. Then in std smart.com ptr we are going to define one more type def, com ptr t I EnumSTATSTG. Okay, then here we say enum ss means structured storage ptr, we name like this and save. About this interface, please refer to MSDN, Ctrl F1 here. Please refer to this document. I will copy the link. Save. Then here now let's build the solution. Right click, rebuild solution. All 4 solutions should build successfully. Now from our previous session, we will copy the code from here. This code we developed from our previous session. Now copy them. Here, before main, function main, then come here, paste, save, then from function main up to this point, copy, then here like this. At this point the code is the same. Also we will make changes from our previous video. From our previous video, this function is actually not used. This function is not used in our previous video, so we disable it. And at this state, now let's rebuild the whole solution. Rebuild the solution. Okay, now we don't need this file and close it. We also don't need close it. Just leave O4 enumerate structural solution CPP. Only leave this file. We need to make some, as I promised, we need to make some changes here. Constant is not needed, and the number of W character, T characters, +1 for null terminating null character. It is this, and it's okay now. This part is the same, and we have to change it like this. Fight. Okay, this means this is requested bytes, this is read bytes, then the rest is the same. Okay, now save it. At this point we opened a file name, then we open or created root storage, then we are calling functions Enumerate. We are passing root storage pointer and 0. 0 means level. We will create this function here, enumerate storage ptr reference feed storage, then size t level, like this. So we are calling this function from function main with root storage, and at first the level is 0. So we create tab characters, std w string tabs level. We are creating tab characters, level number of characters. Okay, then we are printing out w cout. We will put a new line std here, and there we give carriage return, then tabs, then we are opening curly brace std, and there we are printing out freeze. Then after this, at the end of the function std wcout tabs, then we close the curly brace, and there at the end of the function print out like this. Okay, then here this is the block. First we need to declare EnumSTATSG. We will name it PEnum. Please note that EnumPTR, this is com pointer, like this, com ptr t IEnumSTATSTG. Okay, or com ptr t com iid. This is IEnumSTATSTG UUID of IEnum STATSTG. Okay, this is the same type. This is SS type, EnumSTATSG. So about this definition, please refer to this document. Say we need to declare CompTR, enumeration CompTR. Then we can get P storage. This is the storage, root storage, P storage, EnumElements. This function returns this pointer, enumerator here. The first argument is reserved 0, second is reserved null, and the third is 0. The fourth is enum interface ID. This PENUM. Okay. About this function, please refer to MSDN. I will give you the link. This function, like this. Please refer to this document. Then if PENUM, this means we failed to get IEnumSTATSTG pointer. So we cannot further proceed, so we return. At this point, we need to number of elements, constant, U-long means unsigned, yearly element count. Okay. Then STATSTG, we are declaring, defining as array, STATG array. Control F1. This gives this function. Let's see here. I will click this link. Then this is the tag we are defining. Also, you need to refer this document. Okay. You need to refer to this document. Then we need to U-long yearly patched. Okay, we will retrieve. This will give us the number of elements we patched. While PENUM next. It is number of this element. STG count. This count actually means then gives this array. Then patch it U-long yearly patch it. Then here we can set like this S OK. Okay, we are getting one element. We are patching, retrieving one STG count. This is actually 1, so we are retrieving 1. About this function, please refer to MSDN once again. Please refer to this function. I will put the link here. Okay. Then at this point, we will make a tab std W string name STAT STG 0 PCW name. It gives name. It is the name of the storage or stream object. Okay, this should, okay, we saved this name to string. Then we have to free this pointer. Okay, then we can say co task mem free. We have to call this function. This is actually pointer. For more information, please refer to this STG here. I will show you once it again. Here. Then this is the name. Please note that null pointer blah blah blah. I will put like this. Okay, please refer to this message. It basically means we have to free this PCS after use. We patch it, then we have to release. Now at this point, we complete tab character std wcr tabs and the name. Okay, we can actually get, okay, then here print out element name. Okay, now if STAT STG 0 type equals STG type, ty means type, storage, else if this string okay. At this point, if this is storage, this is substorage. What we read is substorage. This element points to substorage. Then we have to create substorage. Storage 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 ptr p substorage. We open storage. Storage, then name cstr. If you watched my previous video, you understand what it means. We are opening storage, substorage, named with name like this. Then this point is very important. Enumerate. We are now passing this storage, and level should be +1. So we are recursively calling this function. We are calling itself. Okay, we are recursively calling enumerate for substorage object. Okay. Then here, if it is not object, it is a stream. Then we have to open stream ptr p stream. We are opening stream ptr, open stream like this, p storage, then name str name. This is stream name. Then we are printing out the contents std w cout like this, and we will read from stream. We are reading the contents of the stream p stream. Here we need to provide the size u long stat stg 0 cb byte size quad ptr. Okay, then here we close, then std, and there we are actually calling this function read from stream. We are reading this function. This is byte size. We don't need to, by using this function, by using this structure, we can know byte size of the stream. So we conclude this. This is while loop. Okay. Now the program ends. Now save it. About this type, this is storage type. Please refer to this document here. This is the type. Okay, so for this type, this is STG type. So please refer to this document. So this is storage stream, this document. I will copy the link for your reference. This is for your reference. And I will put type STG TY, storage type enumeration. Okay, so now we build this project. Okay, now rebuild the whole solution. Okay, from structures story, this is the solution we are working on here, and I copied this path, CD, Now here we use this our application we developed in our previous session, hierarchy structured storage. I would say my VT drive DRV. Okay, so we created my VT DRV here. Then we are using our new application enumerate structured storage, then my VTDR drive drv, voila, we restored all contents of this file. Okay, we retrieved contents of this story. If you compare this file, these contents and these contents, please note that files are listed first. File 00, file 00, file 02, file 02. At the same level, files are actually streams. Streams are enumerated first. Then comes folder 00, folder 01, then folder 02. Okay. So when we enumerate, streams are enumerated first, then follows folders in declared order or saved order. I hope you understand. This can be quite a lot challenging if you are not accustomed to recursive function call. For example, enumerate. We are calling enumerate from enumerate. This is recursive function call. If you are not accustomed to this kind of programming, it can be a little bit challenging. Okay. So I will copy this code for easy read. I will create another one here. I copied. I will name it with, and I say enumerate no comments, no comment. Okay. Then I copy this function name. Then I paste it here. Then I will remove all comment for easy read. This is for easy read. So it's a little bit shorter. I will make it smaller. Okay. So this, not this. Oh, I changed it in the wrong place. I will copy this and I changed it in the wrong place. Okay, so if you can read this text, it can be easier to read. Okay, so I hope you understand this code, and please try to understand recursive function call, how we enumerate elements in structured stories. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.